Hello friends, welcome to Easy Garden. Today we will see how we can get multiple color hibiscus in a single plant. So here whatever you are seeing, it's a single hibiscus plant where three color hibiscus bloom today. One is white, red and yellow. So in this single plant I got three color flower today. It has total 5 color but today it bloomed 3 color. Now I'll show how we can get multicolor hibiscus, rather multiple color flower in a single plant. This can be done through grafting. Today we'll show how to do the grafting. So here I'll be doing the grafting in two ways. One, putting the two branches side by side. Here whatever you are seeing, this is done either I have done this same way, tying up two branches from two plant, and I able to graft the one branch to another. So currently that you are seeing it, I have done on the same way, putting two branch together from two plant. Later point of time I'll show it in details how to do it. So these are the things, these are the grafting which I have already done this way. So let's do a grafting, putting two branches from two plants side by side. So currently I am doing that. Let's notice it. I'm almost done. Just wrapping the plastic into the joint section. So it's required so that uh, it does not dry it out. So I am wrapping the plastic on the joint section. And this is the end stage. Currently what you are seeing, the grafting I did near about 2 months back. I did the same way, putting two branches together from two plants. Now I'll be showing another way of grafting. So it's a different grafting which I did importing a branch from another plant. Let's see the branch that we will be importing now. So this is the branch I will be importing it, and notice its diameter, and I cut this branch, one end of this branch, in couple of days back. Now I will be importing into another plant. So I will be importing into in this plant. So this is the branch I have cut it. Now I am going to import it. So to do that I am removing the leaves, then I am making the V shape so that I can import it into the mother plant. I am almost done with the V shape. Now bifurcate it, the mother plant branch. before that I am removing the leaves. Need to remove the leaves. Now let's bifurcate it. Then grab that branch. If I am importing a branch from another plant. Here key thing is that diameter of the imported branch and the mother plant branch needs to be same. Diameter of the both the branch needs to be same. That's the one of the key parameter here. Okay, so I am now tying it up with the rope. Then I will wrap the plastic on it. Okay, now I am wrapping the plastic so that it can maintain the moisturizer. Okay. Then I will put a aloe vera cap on it so that it does not dry it out. I am putting aloe vera cap. Now I will cover it with a plastic. Okay, I am covering it. Let's tie up the plastic with a thread. Now I am tying it up. So I am now after these 2 weeks we can see the result. Okay, here new leaves has been come out. You can see it. New leaves has been come out. Now I will remove the plastic so that you can notice it clearly. Let's remove the plastic. I am removing the plastic so that you can watch it. The newly grown leaves. See, this is after 2 weeks. This is after 2 weeks. New leaves has been come out. Just I am removing the plastic. Then we leave it. Okay, I am not removing the joint plastic because I will be doing it later. So this is the branch what you are seeing. I did on the same way. It's kind of 4-5 months back. So it's already well grafted. You can see the joint section. You can understand it actually. I did it importing another branch. Now I will show another way of grafting. Here we will also import the branch, but we will do it little bit differently. So you share. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to this channel.